Hey guys, so after launching the Oppo Band 2 in China, the company is now gearing up to launch the said device in the global market. The Oppo Band 2 has been certified by TDRS certification website, hinting at an imminent global launch. The Oppo Band 2 brings significant upgrades over its predecessor. It comes with a 1.57-inch AMOLED display with 500 nits of peak brightness. It offers 200 band faces and support for over 100 sports modes including workout, racing, swimming and esports mode and more. It also offers heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking feature. It is powered by Apollo 3.5 processor paired with 8 MB PSR RAM and 128 MB NAND storage. It comes with a 200 mAh battery that can last up to 14 days. It also supports magnetic fast charging. For connectivity, it relies on Bluetooth 5.0 and also comes with 5 ATM water resistance. The Oppo Band 2 weighs only 33 grams, making it one of the lightest fitness tracker. The band is also compatible with Android phones running on Android 6 or above and iPhones running on iOS 10 or above. The Oppo Band 2 comes in a non-NFC and a NFC version. The non-NFC version is priced at 229 yuan and the NFC version is priced at 269 yuan in China. This is a bit more expensive than the previous version, but a great deal for something with such a large display. As for the launch, although Oppo hasn't revealed the exact launch date for its international availability, but it shouldn't be too far away as the device has been certified by TDRS certification website. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.